Ever found yourself with a TD US dollar Visa and wondered, how on earth do I pay this thing without losing a ton on currency exchange? You're not alone. Many Canadians who use a TD US dollar Visa card want to avoid those pesky foreign currency conversion fees when making US dollar purchases. The good news is, TD offers several convenient ways to pay your US dollar Visa bill directly in US dollars, helping you keep more of your hard-earned money. Why pay in USD? First off, why even bother paying in US dollars? Simple, avoiding conversion fees. When you use a TD US dollar Visa for US dollar purchases, the whole point is to prevent your Canadian dollars from being converted to US dollars at potentially unfavorable exchange rates, both when you spend and when you pay your bill. By paying your bill directly with US dollars from a US dollar account, you bypass these conversion costs entirely. This is especially beneficial for frequent cross-border shoppers, travelers, or those who receive income in US dollars. Payment methods for your TD US dollar Visa. TD provides a few straightforward options to pay your US dollar Visa, primarily focusing on using a TD US dollar bank account. 1. Online through EasyWeb or the TD app. This is arguably the most convenient method. If you have a TD US dollar checking account, like the Borderless plan or a US daily interest checking account, linked to your EasyWeb profile, you can easily transfer funds to your TD US dollar Visa. How it works. Log into EasyWeb or the TD app. Navigate to the Transfers or Pay Bills section. Select your TD US dollar checking account as the From account. Select your TD US dollar Visa as the To account or Payee. Enter the US dollar amount you wish to pay. Review and confirm the transfer. It's a real-time payment, meaning the funds are applied almost instantly, which is great for ensuring you don't miss a payment deadline. 2. In-branch at a TD Canada Trust location. For those who prefer a more traditional approach, you can always visit any TD Canada Trust branch to make a payment. How it works. Go to your nearest TD Canada Trust branch. Inform the teller you want to pay your TD US dollar Visa. You can either pay with US dollar cash or transfer US dollars from your TD US dollar checking account. This can be a good option if you have US cash on hand or need assistance from a banking specialist. 3. Setting up a pre-authorized debit. To ensure you never miss a payment, you can set up a pre-authorized debit directly from your TD US dollar checking account to cover your TD US dollar Visa balance. How it works. You can arrange this through EasyWeb, by calling EasyLine telephone banking, or by visiting a branch. You can choose to pay the minimum payment or the full balance automatically each month. This provides peace of mind, knowing your bill is always taken care of. While you can pay your TD US dollar Visa with Canadian dollars, it's generally not recommended if your goal is to avoid foreign exchange fees. If you pay from a Canadian dollar account, TD will convert the Canadian funds to US dollars at their prevailing exchange rate, and this conversion often comes with a foreign currency conversion fee. This essentially negates the primary benefit of having a US dollar credit card in the first place. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.